One function can break strings into pieces and another can glue them back perfectly. Both take just one line of code in Python. Hello everyone, I am Aarti. Welcome to my channel. This is the 10th video of Basic Python tutorial series. In previous video, I have covered search and replace category of string functions. In this video, I am going to cover split and join category of string function. Let's dive in. In this video, we will look into the next category of string functions, that is split and join. These functions are helpful to split the string and combine based on our requirements. Let's look into the string function split. This function splits the string at the specified separator and returns the list. Default separator is white space. List is a data type in Python, and in upcoming video I am going to cover it. For now, remember that list contains elements separated by comma and are enclosed in square brackets. So let's go through the example. In first example, we have a sample text where the value contains banana, mango, grapes, strawberry, watermelon, apple. So these are the name of the fruits and they have been separated by a white space. When I apply the split function on the sample text, we are going to get a list where all the names of the fruits are the list items. So here we have got the result in square brackets and we can see all the fruit names like banana, mango, grape, strawberry, watermelon and apple are individual elements of this list. In next example, sample text contains banana, $mango, $grapes, $strawberry, $watermelon and $apple. So here, when I am calling a split function on this sample text, I have specified the separator as $. So in this case, the string will be split on the basis of $, and we are going to get a list where all these fruit names will be an elements of the list. So let's execute and check the result. So here again we have got a list where all these fruit names are elements of the list. So banana, mango, grape, strawberry, watermelon and apple, and these were split on the basis of the $. In next example, along with the separator, I have also specified the max split parameter. This instructs how many number of times the splits that we want to have. As I have specified the max split as 3, in this case, the given string will be split 3 times. Hence, we are going to get the 4 items in the list in the result. So let's execute and check the results. So here you will see we have got the first element as banana, second element as mango, third element as grapes, and fourth element is strawberry, watermelon, apple. Because we have specified the splits that we wanted to be 3. The next string function that we will look into is split lines. This function splits the string at the line breaks and returns the result again as the list. So in this cell we have a sample text where hello, welcome to the world of Python, a new line character. This is an exciting world, again a new line character, and I am enjoying the learning. So here sample text contains 3 sentences and they have been separated, or there is a new line character in between all these sentences. So when I'm going to call a split lines function on this sample text, all these sentences will be split. So let's execute and check the result. So we have got a list where first element contains hello, welcome to the world of Python. Second is this is an exciting world, and third element is I'm enjoying the learning, which is nothing but the third sentence in this sample text. Split function also has an optional parameter as keep line breaks. It is used to specify if line breaks should be included or not. Default it is false. If we specify keep line breaks is equal to true in split lines function, we will see the result in the next line. So here in split lines I have specified the keep line breaks as true, and if we execute and see the result, so here in the list we have got in the result, it contains the new line characters which were the part of the original string to be returned as part of the elements of the string. The next string function is join. This function converts the elements of the iterable into a string. That is, it takes all the elements of the iterable and joins them into the string. This function is called on a separator and iterable object is passed as parameter. In Python, some of the iterable objects are tuples, lists, or dictionaries. For the purpose of this session, I am going to use a list object that we have just got it as part of the result of the split function in the example above. So here in this cell you can see iterable data, and in the square bracket I have specified different list elements like banana, mango, grapes, strawberry, watermelon, apple, etc. And then I have specified a separator as comma here, and I have called a function join, and then I have passed iterable data as a parameter to this join function. So let's check the result after execution. So this is what we have got: banana, comma mango, comma grapes, comma strawberry, comma watermelon, comma apple. Here we have got a single string which contains name of the fruits given in the list are separated by comma. Thus, we have covered all the important built-in string functions in Python. These functions are going to be very helpful when we have to work with the text data extensively.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who is just starting in Python. Post your feedback and questions in comment section. Keep learning. See you in the next one.